Ito ang dapat nating mapanood at i-share natin at nang mapanood din ng ating mga kababayan na kung paano pinagmukhang unga-unga ni Vice President Sara Duterte ang mga congressman na ito. Grabe. Parang ano sila nabigla na shock na ganun ang gagawin ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Panimula pa lang yun, ha. Ang sabi ni Sara Duterte, ni Vice President Sara Duterte, na ang susunod nating presidente sa 2028 ay walang iba kundi si Sara Duterte. Yehey! Ayun, panoorin po natin kung paano. Ay, grabe, nakakatawa talaga. At dito natin malalaman kung gaano kaunga-unga ang mga congressman na ito na walang alam sa batas. So yun guys, panoorin natin.
Tinutulungan ko lang kayo, sir, kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives? Tinutulungan ko lang kayo.
Yes, Madam Vice President.
You need to reconsider that extension of your detention. It was illegal in the first place. You asked the President why he accepted the resignation. Do not ask due process.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chair. Yes, Congressman Paduano. Congressman Nakop.
Mr. Chair, Madam Vice President, if you have any question insofar as the actions of this committee are concerned, I think the proper remedy is for you to go to the court.
Sir, I will go to court.
Opo, pero
pero araw-araw, you are depriving a person of her liberty while I await.
That is precisely the point, ma'am. If our action of detaining your chief of staff is against the law, I think the proper remedy, and I think you're a lawyer,
yes, sir,
the proper remedy is to go to the court.
Sir, do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Ang sinasabi ko lang po ay sundin po natin yung batas.
Kaya nga, sir, sundin natin yung batas.
Kasi nandito po kayo dito sa bahay ng Kongreso.
Yes, sir. Sundin natin yung batas. Why will you penalize, punish Yusek Lopez
people
for an act of the President?
Madam Vice President, that is the decision of the committee as a whole. Sana po respetuhin po ninyo
yung mga utak ng mga congressman na to.
Yes, sir.
Kung meron pong remedy, alam naman po ninyo bilang abogado na tama po yung sinasabi ni Congressman Akop, pwede po tayong mag-file ng relief sa court.
Okay, sige sir. Tinutulungan ko lang kayo, sir, kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives? Tinutulungan ko lang kayo.
Maraming salamat po, Madam Vice President.
With all due respect,
yes,
Mr. Chair,
Congressman,
Deputy
Speaker.
I move that we strike out that last comment said about the House of Representatives. I don't think that is warranted, neither is it fair to make statements such as that. So move, Mr. Chair.
Di ba guys, napanood nyo? Nagmukhang mga anga-anga ang mga congressman na ito na walang alam sa batas. So, madlang people, kayo na po ang humusga. Talagang napakagaling po ng ating Vice President. At ito pong Vice President natin ay ang susunod na presidente sa 2028. Go, go, go. Haha, yes, 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 go.